Hello everyone and welcome to my Java programming tutorial. In this video we will talk about logical operators. So let's take a look. The logical operators are and, or, not, and then we also have exclusive or. So let me just share you with this, like the most common operators you will use in Java programming will be and or logical operators, which you will use a lot, or maybe there will be so many conditions where you need these two operators. Not will be used slightly, but there will be a less chance of using exclusive or. When you move forward to more complex programming questions, there you will be using exclusive or. Okay, so let's take a look what and operator does, or operator, and not operator does. So this is a truth table. So we usually create such kind of tables for these operators because these operators comes when you have two conditions. So there must be an expression on your right side of this operator and there must be an expression on the left side of this operator, like or gives you a boolean, and all these operators return the answer as boolean, means true and false. So let's take a look. While creating a truth table for and operator, A and D, and just like from the English word, but you are representing these this operator like and operator in programming like this with double and symbol from your keyboard. So these are like two expressions we have. This is P1 value, this is P2 value, and then when you apply this and operator with P1 and P2, so what will be the answer? They are over here. Okay, so this is like a journal scenario. So if your right side is false and the left side is false, answer will be false. The easy way to remember and operator is just like and, it combines. So if any of the side is false, your answer will be false. So to answer for the and operator, for true answer, both sides must be true. If you are evaluating an expression, for example 3 is greater than 4, this is false, right? So there is no point of checking the rest part, the other expression, or evaluating the other expression, because if this is false and there is an and operator, your answer is false. Okay, so this is how and operator works. If you have one expression is false, other one is false, answer will be false. One side is false, other is true, answer false. One side is true, this is left side expression is true, right side expression is false, answer is false. So as you can see, if any of the side is false, your answer is still false. Only true cases when both sides are true. So it means for and operator, it's must that you check both of the sides. If one side is true, it doesn't mean that your answer is true. You need to check the other expression as well. If that is true, then your answer is true. So here are some examples over here how you will be using in the programming expression. So for example, age value is 24 and weight is 140. So if age is less than 18, so is age is less than 18, which is 24 less than 18? No, so there is no point that you check the other side. It will give you false. And they have shown you like this scenario, this whole chart. So this side is also false, that weight is less than 140. Weight is not less than 140. Weight is also 140. So if they are equal, so this is false because both conditions are false. So same over here we have age is greater than 18. So is age is greater than 18? Okay, so this side is true. It doesn't mean that you just print the answer true. For and operator, as this is true, now we can check the other side. Is weight is greater than 140? So is 140 is greater than 140? False, because they are equal, so answer will be false. And for the last true part, age is greater than 18 and weight is greater than equals to 142. Now you have that equal sign with your expression as well. It means true. So now both sides are true and answer will be true. So this is how your and operator works. Or operator, this is how you represent or operator in programming. It's like or in just like English word or. And this is totally opposite of your and operator. So both of these operators go along like in the opposite situation. So in the and operator, both sides must be true for the answer true. With or operator, any side can be true for the answer true. So as you can see, if one side is false, you check the other side, that is false, then your answer is false. So both sides are false for the answer false. But if this is false, and this is true, answer is true. one expression is true, other is false, doesn't matter if this is true, you don't have to check the other side if one side is true for the OR operator. Your answer will be true, and both sides true will give you answer true. So here are some expressions from programming point of view. Again, your age is 24, weight is 140. Is age is greater than 34, which is false. But it doesn't mean we can just print false, just like in AND operator. But when we have OR, it means check the other side. Is weight is less than equals to 140, which is true. So answer is true because one side is true. And for true and false, again over here, we have age greater than 14. This side is true. When you have OR, you usually don't have to check the rest of the part because you already got the answer true, or give preference to true. If one side or you find one expression as true, it will just directly go to console and print true. So this is AND operator and OR operator. Now let's move on to our next operator. We have exclusive OR. So what this does is, if it looks for the alternative expression. So for example, one side is false, the other one is also false. So there is no alternative true and false, right? So your answer will be false. If you have one side false, other is true, then your answer is true. One side true, other is false, answer is true. Same false or same true will give you answer false. Okay, so this is what your OR exclusive OR does, and you represent it like this in programming, exclusive OR. And the last but not the least, we have NOT operator, which you represent NOT, not just like English, and it is represented with an exclamation mark at the top, which you can see over here. And what it does is just if you have true for NOT operator, you don't need two expression. NOT operator is applied on one expression. If the expression is giving you answer true and then you have applied the NOT operator, it will just do the opposite. If the answer is true, it will make it false. If the answer is false, it will make it true. So let's take a look. For example, this is the expression, your age is 24. So is age is greater than 18? Your answer is true, age is greater than 18. But as you have applied outside this exclamation mark, it means that NOT operator is applied and the output will be false, because age is greater than 18, which is true, but NOT operator will convert that true to false. Same if your answer is giving, if the expression is giving you answer false and you have applied NOT operator, it will convert it into true. So just like weight equals to 150 and your weight is 140, which is false as you have applied NOT. So for this expression, the whole thing, answer is true because weight equals to 150, which is false, but you have applied NOT, it will convert false to true. Okay, so that's it for the logical operators with their expressions. These operators you will use a lot in your if conditions and your Boolean expressions as well. So you just need to understand the concept of how and where to apply these operators. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.